Hello students, the question says in order to obtain a random sample of people who live in her town, Jane chooses people at random from the telephone directory of her town. The first part it says, give a reason why Jane's method will not give a random sample of people who live in the town. So there can be many reasons because she is searching from the directory. So one of the major reason is it excludes the children. Now children are also living in the town and children names are not mentioned in the telephone directory. The other reason it might exclude people who do not have telephone. So that means the people who are still living in the town but have no telephone connection, their name will not appear in the telephone directory. So that exclude people who don't have telephones. So that can be one of the reasons for this sample to be random. Now, the other reason might think of more than one person in some houses. That's very obvious that there can be more than one person in a house. So these are all the valid reasons which we can think about and some more that can be a valid answer for part one. Thank you, students.